Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government job, PhD work from home job, PGT, TGT and the assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and share, like and comment my videos. And in this video, we are going to see the assistant professor recruitment notifications from the two different National Institute of Technology colleges. So here with only post graduation, you can get 56,100 plus other allowances also will be there. So here the package is separate for the postgraduate candidates as well as for the PhD candidates. So it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who belongs to those departments, whatever I'm going to show you in this video. And you guys also please share this video to those departmental candidates. Okay. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as immediate notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is the paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video. So out of the two different NITs, the first NIT we are going to see is National Institute of Technology, Karnataka, Surathkal. Okay. So this notification released on 13th December 2021. That is recently we got this one. So NIT Karnataka Surathkal is an institute of national importance colleges established by the Ministry of Education, as all of you know that, in the field of engineering, science and management at UG, PG and the PhD levels. So applications are invited in the prescribed format from eligible candidates for the position of temporary faculty in various departments of the institute, and 50,000 rupees per month will be available for the PhD candidates and 40,000 rupees per month will be available for the postgraduate candidates. Okay. So here the departments are computer science and engineering 5 vacancies, information technology 5 vacancies and electronics and communication 3 vacancies. So total 13 number of vacancies are there, and the remuneration will not be enhanced for any reason during the term of engagement, and the appointment will be for 1 semester. And essential qualification MTech or ME in the relevant discipline, and for general or OBC candidates minimum first class 60% both at UG and the PG level, and for SC ST candidates minimum 55% both at UG and the PG level. So PhD qualification is a desirable, guys, it is not mandatory. And anyhow, if you are having the only post graduation with the percentages whatever they mentioned here, then you can apply for this one. So I got so many comments regarding the electronics subject as well as the computer science subject. So for those guys it will be the wonderful opportunity, so it will be helpful, guys. And based upon your comments only I searched this notification, and few more instructions are given here, so you may please check down, guys. And I will provide all the necessary links in the description box of this video. So here directly the shortlisted candidates will be called for the interview. Okay, no written test and all. So the shortlisted candidates for the interview will be intimated through email or mobile only, and the shortlisted candidates will require to appear for interview in online or the physical mode. That means there is a chance of attending the interview in online mode also, based upon their requirements. The complete application forms in all respects along with the self-attested copies of relevant certificates or testimonials or research papers etc. are to be sent to the respective head of the department by speed or the registered post, so as to reach the institute on or before 17th December 2021. Okay, so that means tomorrow is the last date to send for this one, guys. So the candidates who are nearer to Karnataka, you may guys just hurry up, and address to which the applications to be sent at head of the department and the department of which one, NIT Karnataka Surathkal. Okay, and the cover should be superscribed as application for the post of temporary faculty in the department of dash, and the no request for a change of interview schedule. Okay, so whatever the different documents you need to attach to this application form in, so all the documents are mentioned here, so you please once go through, guys. Got it? And the last date for the receipt of filled application form with all relevant documents is 17th December 2021. That is tomorrow only. And here details of the qualification and specialization required for the temporary faculty. Okay, here once again they mentioned here, and here the corresponding head of the department's mail IDs are also mentioned. So interested candidates may check down, guys. Got it? And coming to the next NIT college is, that is the National Institute of Fashion Technology. So regarding the fashion technology also, so many candidates are texting me from long time onwards, okay, to find out the vacancies regarding this one. But the fashion technology is a very rare subject, So anyhow, finally I got this notification, guys. Okay. So here the NIFT is inviting the online applications from Indian nationals in the prescribed pro forma for the post of assistant professor on direct recruitment on the contract basis for the 5 years. And here the total number of vacancies are 190 vacancies are there. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to the fashion technology. Wonderful opportunity. 190 vacancies are announced here, guys, and it is a level 10 category. Okay, so as per the caste category wise, the number of vacancies are divided here, and the basic pay is 56,100 plus other allowances also available as per the central government of India norms. And eligibility conditions: PG degree from recognized university or the institute in any competences as mentioned in Annexure 1 with 3 years of experience. Okay, including pre-qualification, post-UG degree or experience in teaching or the research or in relevant industry in a recognized university or the institution. That means PG plus 3 years of relevant experience they are asking. Otherwise, the PhD from a recognized university with 1 year of experience they are asking. Okay, so if you are having this qualifications, then you can apply for this one. So age limitations are also mentioned here, and the application last date is 31st Jan 2022, guys. So I will provide this link also in the description box of this video, so you please go through once this one. Fine. So to get the more notifications like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you're interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare, and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. and you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the, providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code, that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper one, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here the lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So you may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So, and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want